Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 22A and B from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper, and the question paper code is 30/1/3. The question 22A says if tan theta is equal to 24 upon 7, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. The given ratio is tan, that is tan theta is 24 upon 7, which is opposite, that is 24, and adjacent is 7. We have to get this hypotenuse. Let's name the triangle as ABC. So AC is equal to square root of 24 square plus 7 square, which is root 576 plus 49, that is root 625, and so AC is 25. From this we can get the value of sin theta. Sin theta is AB upon AC, which is 24 upon 25, and cos theta is BC upon AC, that is 7 upon 25. The sum of these two, that is sin theta plus cos theta, is the expression that we have to evaluate. 24 upon 25 plus 7 upon 25, which is equal to 31 upon 25. Question 22b says if cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, then find the value of this expression. The given expression is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So this becomes a square minus b square upon, the same is the denominator, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, which can be written as cos theta upon sin theta the whole square. Cos upon sin is cot, so cot theta square. Cot theta is 7 upon 8 the whole square, which is 49 upon 64. So this is the answer for this expression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.